Hey, I'm your host, Larry Jones, and this is Stock Up with Uncle Larry. So today we're going to talk about two stocks, Tesla and Apple. Reasons why they are both doing a split. Tesla is doing a 5-to-1 split. Apple is doing a 4-to-1 split. Now, I just want you to think about an apple pie, right? Let's go to Apple. Let's start with Apple. I want you to think about an apple pie. And I want you to think about how much pie you have, right? You have a whole pie. And let's say you take a knife and you cut that pie up into 4 slices. Do you have any more pie? No. You have the same pie, but now it's cut up into 4 pieces. So that's what Apple is going to do with their stock. You might say, why would Apple do that with their stock? Because it makes it more affordable for the average investor to invest, right? So right now, Apple closed at $4.97. $4.97 is where Apple closed at. So that's a lot of money for some people, right? It's $500. And I don't care who you are, you're limited in the amount of shares you could buy at $500 a pop. So now let's take Apple and slice it up into 4 pieces. So I'm gonna just go with the close today. Yes, I need these. All right, so Apple closed at $4.97 today and some change. If you take Apple, it actually closed at $4.97 and 48 cents. If you take that and divide it by 4, it comes up to $124.37. So if the split was done today, instead of you having 1 share at $497, now you have 4 shares worth $124. You see what I'm saying? Let's go to Tesla. Tesla now is worth $2,040 a share. $2,040 a share. I ain't got that kind of money.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So what Tesla is doing is they're doing a 5-to-1 split. So now if you own 1 share of Tesla, now you have 5 shares of Tesla. And the reason why I titled this Easy Money is because for the last 10 years, there has not been a lot of splits this way. They split the other way, but not splits this way. And the reason being is to be in the S&P 500, they literally want these stocks with these high prices to do these splits because now the funds that have all of these stocks in them, they're more affordable, right? And so that's why the S&P 500, if you don't know what that is, go back to my other training videos. I'm going to have it in the link below. It will explain what the S&P 500 is. The reason why I call this easy money is because it hasn't been done so much in the last 10 years. There is a excitement around the split, right? You got all of these new investors. Robinhood opened up, I forgot how many millions, I think it was 3 million new customers that Robinhood has gotten this year. Half of those are first-time investors. So you got Tesla and Apple, right? Every kid has an iPhone or an iPad or an iMac. So they think it's a cool company, right? Same thing with Tesla. You know, Elon Musk has I know I'm butchering his name up, but anyway, he has a cult following. So a lot of people like him. A lot of investors, old and young, think he's cool. So they invest in the stock. Right. I bought 6 shares at $4.17 average. What I mean by average is that I actually purchased 3 shares at $4.10. And then I bought another 3 shares at $4.24. And so your average cost comes to $4.17. Cost average is what it's calling. It's $4.17. So as the stock started running up, I bought more, right? And the reason being is I knew the stock was going to go up. Tesla stock ran up from the day that they announced that it was going to go into a 5-to-1 split. It started to run. From the day that they announced Apple going up, I knew there was money to be made. So what I did was I took money that I had sitting ready for an execution. And, I always say buy on the dip, buy on the dip. There's times when you don't wait for a dip and you purchase immediately. So Apple, I didn't purchase on the first day. I waited a little late, but I purchased it at 410. And as you could see here, I'm up $480, almost $481, 19% on money that was just sitting, waiting, right? And so all I'm going to do is pop it when it's over, because that's what I'm going to do. You do your own study, you have your own strategy. That's what I'm going to do, because generally what's going to happen is the stock is going to run up, the hype all the way until the split happens. By the way, both splits are happening on the last day of this month, right? Both splits are happening on the last day of October. So you want to be ready and have an exit position already in plan. Stick to your disciplines. If you say you're going to sell a stock at a price, do it. Don't worry about if it keeps running. All right. Don't be a hog. Hogs are fit to be slaughtered. Be a bear or be a bull, right? Either this is a bear market or a bull market, and you can make money on both. But don't be a hog. Hogs are fit to be slaughtered. Remember that. I understand what a split is, but how does that profit the company, right? It allows Tesla and Apple to make more money because they know more people are going to buy. More people will buy Apple at $124 than they would at $424, right? Or $500. So it allows more people to buy it. It's more affordable. Think about when you go to the grocery store. So that's the reason behind the whole thing. All right. So just think easy money. Right now, here's what I will tell you to put the brakes on. I would be leery right now at this price value to buy any Tesla. Tesla is expensive. Tesla is not worth what the market value is saying it's worth. It's propped up by all of this hype, Elon Musk, and all of that. It eventually will get to their price point, but right now it's built up. The price is just built up on hype. $2,000 for this stock, it's too much. And trust me, I love Tesla. I love everything that they're doing. But everybody in the market knows that there's a correction coming. So if you're going to make a move based on this video, I would say make it in Apple. I would say make your move now and pop it right on the day of the split. That way you can't lose. So what I think is going to happen is it's going to run up, split, and it'll run up a little more, and then it's going to come back down, and then eventually it runs up past that point. So be in it for the short term. Remember we talked about swing trades, Tarzan swinging from rope to rope, or be in it for the long haul and be an investor. All right. Turtle play. All right. So that's it for today. Smash that like button and then share this video with your friends, your family. Get them ready because I'm preaching this message to everyone. The biggest transfer of wealth is happening right now. It is taking place in your lifetime, your parents' lifetime, and your grandparents' lifetime. It is happening right now. So what you want to do is position yourself to get that money. All right. This is Uncle Larry with Stocked Up. Remember, hit the like button, the notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace and chicken grease.